taste test. You know those influences that make everything so dramatic? It's pretty good. It's jam. Hello. So we've basically finished the clearing up the chicken coop, and I have been dropping some more trees and trying to clear this fence line. And today I think I'm just going to continue all the way down this fence line here, but you can see I've moved the shed. You see a clear pathway all the way down. This makes it look so much nicer. Obviously there's a bit of a junk pile still going on, but I've dropped some more trees here, and now I think I'm going on the other side of the compost bays. I'm going to go all the way down the fence line because we're going to try and make a fenced part for Buddy, and we know within some of these areas there's holes in the fences and that's where wallabies and stuff get through. But I'm going to try and push all this all the way back to the fence line here, which of course is going to open up the property even more and give us some more space and manage it a lot better. Look at the pomegranates go. We need some rain. Yeah, so I think this is the job today. Chainsaw, brush cutter, ride-on I think, lantana. This will make a really big difference. I'm going to be making a worm farm in here as well from one of our old bathtubs around the property. So I need to clear this area. And while I'm doing it, I may as well go all the way down. See how much land we've taken back. Yeah, it's a hot job. Hot and sweaty job, but the result is satisfying. Just so many wiry kind of lantana vine things. Whew. It's pretty hot today. I'll try and take it easy. Oh. Pretty good method. Brush cutter, chainsaw, right on. Just mow the rest down. Good morning. Now, to be honest, I'm pretty buggered from yesterday working in the sun and kind of zapped me a bit. So this morning I figured have a bit of a slow morning, and look what the kids and Jade harvested from the mulberry tree. So many mulberries. So right now I'm going to make a mulberry jam. Maybe not use all of them because we do love eating them. Our mulberry tree just out there has just been pumping. So we decided to harvest all the right ones before they go yuck and turn a bit. So let's make mulberry jam. We're going to grab some bicarb. Put a bit in here first. Oh, too much. I'm just going to clean the mulberries first. So let them soak in the bottom, and then put some bicarb at the top. This couldn't be much easier really. Only 3 ingredients. Lemon juice, sugar. I'm going to try brown sugar, and then your mulberries. Got a big pot. Let's get our mulberries and save a couple to eat. I'm kind of pressing them to get all the juices out and to make it a little bit smoother. Still quite chunky though, for that. So it's still a bit liquidy, so I'm just going to leave it on low heat and just get it to reduce a bit more. All right, we're finished. The cooking phase. Let's see what we've ended up with. You can see it's reduced down a fair bit. All this goodness here. Now it's time to get it in some of the jars. Jar. Let's chuck it in. It's one jar done. Taste test. You know those influences that make everything so dramatic? It's pretty good. It's jam. It is yum. It's yum. Tastes like jam. Would have been good if it had sourdough and fresh sourdough. That's pretty good.
Any advice on what to do?
And now Jade's going to try it.
No, don't film me. Far out. Get out of my face. It does taste like jam.
It's pretty good, eh? Yeah.
I told you to blend it and you didn't blend it, so. Lovely. Okay. Stop now.
The jam man. Because I am a peanut, I was finishing off the recording of the clearing, what I'm about to show you, obviously the fence line that I was clearing. And it would have really like shown you kind of the whole process of the big thick parts towards the end and really clearing out the fence line. But I pressed the wrong button and deleted the file, and it was about 25 minutes worth of footage there. So unfortunately you kind of see what you just saw of the video, and now I'm going to show you what the end result is. So sorry about that. I did pick up a bunch of the chicken coop material that was on here, and I've started cleaning up this area. So you can see all this timber, I've kept a bunch for firewood, but a lot of the yuck stuff is going to the tip. Look at the difference here. Looks like we've just gained an acre. So you can see it's right up next to here. And coming all the way down. You can see like these trees are still overhanging, so essentially that was all the way to the ground. I am gonna either get a ladder or I might have to go get a pole saw so I can then just go all the way up the top as well. But this is a really good start. My life just consists of picking up branches and trees. We've got a fence we never knew we had. It's a great result. So once we get this all cut back even more, start to get some more light in here, I think we'll be able to plant a whole lot more fruit trees down the fence line, hopefully. You can just see how dark it is from the canopy here. But it is towards the afternoon now, so the sun's gone over. And while I was doing that, Jade was tackling this evil lantana here. She's done a really good job. See, just in here. This thing is seriously evil. Looking much clearer. Should we have another look in the garden? Of course we will. Things are growing. They keep going. It's been really, really hot. Abnormally hot, I think, for this time of the year up here. But the garden hasn't seemed to care. Whoa, look at this. Look at this wonky cucumber. A pretty good size, that's my hand. These capsicums, getting bigger and bigger. Strawberries are starting to go really well. Look at these zucchinis. And all of a sudden the beetroot and these tomato plants have just shot up. And thanks to you guys, kind of let me know that Southeast Queensland probably should plant the snow peas a bit earlier, well, quite a bit earlier. It was just a bit too hot here, or put them in the shade. So I'm gonna rip these out, and I've got some other seeds, well, seedlings that I've grown from seeds with the kids. I'll put them in. Corn's doing well. These tomatoes is really starting to pick up. Beans. You can really see the plants not struggle, but just the effects of the heat, the hotter days have. See the leaves kind of sagging a bit, and then you give them a water and then they're pretty good for a while. What else have I got going on? Some seeds up here. Probably left them a little bit too long. So I had these growing. So I'm gonna get some of these into the ground. These flowers have been hard to look after. And then up here, these mulberry trees. just keep producing. I'm not sure if I showed you, but up here, I ended up putting some more things. So I got gifted some of these tomato seedlings from Jade's dad. Another mint. And then Jade got some basil. As you know, we've got some flowers, some lavender, marigolds, this native Australian rice flower. We've got some more mint here in a pot and some lemongrass. Yet again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.